In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export video from CapCut on PC. If you've finished editing your project and you're ready to save it to your computer in high quality, this process is actually very simple. I'll walk you through the easiest way to export your video so it looks clean, sharp, and ready to upload or share. To begin, go to the top right corner of the CapCut window and click the blue Export button. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl and E on your keyboard to open the export window right away. Once the pop-up appears, look at the top where you'll see the title field. Click into that box and type the name you want for your video. This is helpful because it makes the file easier to find later, especially if you're exporting multiple versions of the same project. After that, it's time to choose your video quality settings. Under the video exporting section, click the resolution drop-down menu. For most creators, 1080p is a great choice because it gives you crisp HD quality while keeping the file size manageable. If your original footage was recorded in higher resolution and you want the best possible detail, you can choose 4K instead. Right below that, keep the bitrate set to higher. This gives your video maximum clarity and helps preserve more detail during export. Next, check the format setting and make sure MP4 is selected. MP4 is usually the best option because it works well across most platforms and devices, including YouTube and TikTok. Then move to the frame rate setting and choose either 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second, depending on the look of your video. 30 frames per second is a solid standard for most content, while 60 frames per second can look smoother, especially for motion-heavy clips. Once your settings are in place, choose where you want the file to be saved. Click the small folder icon next to Export to, then select a location on your computer that's easy to remember. This step is important so you don't have to search for the file later. Finally, click the blue Export button at the bottom of the window. CapCut will begin rendering your video, and this may take a little time depending on the length of the project and the quality settings you selected. When it's finished, you'll get a notification letting you know your HD video is ready to share. And that's it. Your video is now exported from CapCut on PC and saved to your computer.